Adage Pas de Chance, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Arms fifth on a boss combination. Counts 1 to 2, introduction, hold the position. Counts 3 to 4, prepare arms in demi-plie. Counts 1 pas de chat. Counts 2 to 4, slowly stretch knees and demi-plie on 4. Counts 5 to 6, 2 pas de chat de-suit. Counts 7, 8, point tendu right foot to second on a straight supporting leg and close fifth to fente in a demi-plie. Counts 1 to 8, repeat all the other side. Note: a natural use of the head is used. Arms in demi-fourth en avant with demi-second on tendu to change sides or to two hands on the shoulders throughout. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.